Good morning, students. So in our last class we have discussed about what is matter and what is molecules. Okay, matter means what? Anything which occupies space and has weight is called matter, isn't it? And also we have got to know means what is matter made up of. That means how matter is made. So that is with the help of molecules. Okay, that means matter is made up of molecules. And what are molecules? Molecules are very tiny particles. Okay, very tiny particles called atoms. Okay, now next part is states of matter. Okay, states of matter. So we'll read out this point. Okay, the molecules in different objects or matter are arranged differently. Okay, that means in different, if the object is different, then the molecules, since matter is made up of molecules, the molecules will be arranged differently. Okay, so depending on their arrangement, they exist in three stages. Okay, depending on the arrangement of molecules of different things or objects, this matter, states of matter is of three. Okay, three types, that is solid, liquid and gas. Okay, so which form of arrangement is called solid and which form of arrangement is called liquid or gas, we shall study. Okay, so solid things like a book, a table, a pencil, an eraser, etc., all have a definite shape. Okay, first point is what? To be a solid a thing, a particular thing, they must have a shape. Okay, solids, they must have a definite shape. For example, book कैसा दिखता है? Book is something like that, na, isn't it? So this is what? It is a book. That means there is a shape, isn't it? Okay, then even pencil also it has a shape. Okay, even eraser, it has a shape. Okay, so to be a solid, an object must have a definite shape. Then next point is the molecules in solids are very closely packed. Okay, the molecules, see, these were the molecules, isn't it? This blue. Okay, these are the molecules. Now see, to be a solid, this what? Pink and white colored round structure, round shaped ball like images are what? These are all molecules, and these molecules are, see, they are very close to each other, isn't it? That means what? These molecules are closely packed. Okay, closely packed. Thus the intermolecular space is very less and the intermolecular force is very strong. Okay, see, यहाँ पे क्या था? ये एक मॉलिक्यूल था, ये दूसरा मॉलिक्यूल था, वो दोनों का बीच बहुत सारा गैप था, isn't it? So there was a gap. So there is a space, more space, okay, compared to this one. But see here in this case, you will see this one molecule, second molecule, third molecule, fourth molecule. Okay, so many molecules are there, but between them, see this white and pink, they are very much close. They are attached like this, isn't it? That means the intermolecular space is very less. Okay, that means they are very closely packed. Okay, they have a definite volume. Volume is the space occupied by an object. Okay, solids, they have a definite volume. And what is volume? Volume means the space occupied by an object. For example, see, this is a book, we are keeping the book here. That means itna sa area, this much area is all taken away by the book, isn't it? Okay, even pencil, we are keeping a pencil here, this pencil is taking all the space here. Okay, table is also taking its space, even pen is also taking its space. So this is solid. To be a solid, an object must have what? Definite shape. Then the molecules must be very closely packed, and the intermolecular space is very less, and intermolecular force used to be very strong as they are very much closely packed. Okay, and also they have a definite volume. Okay, definite volume means this book, pencil, pen, table, all these are what? These are solid objects, means solid things. and they are what? They are occupying some space. Okay, this is what solid means. Okay, now the next state is what? Next state of matter is liquids. Liquid means watery substances. For example, what? Liquids like water, oil or juice have the following properties. Okay, so to be a liquid, for example, liquid क्या क्या होता है? Water, oil, juice, all those are what? Liquid. Okay, and to be a liquid, what must be the property? So let's say the molecules are not very closely packed. Okay, molecules, these molecules, they are not closely packed. Okay, see here, see, one molecule, two molecule, three molecule, all these molecules are what? They are far from each other, isn't it? Compared to this one, यहाँ पे क्या था? They are very much close to each other, but here now they are far from each other. That means the space, there is more space than this solid. This one was solid and this is liquid. That means here they have more space. Okay, and the intermolecular force is weaker than that in solids. Okay, intermolecular force is weaker than solids, hence they do not have a definite shape. That means what? Liquid, they do not have a definite shape. Now if there is no shape, what will happen? They take the shape of a container they are kept in. Okay, what happens? Liquid, they will take the shape of a container. Container means, for example, if you pour a water in a bottle, water will take the shape of a bottle, isn't it? पानी कैसे भरेगा? पूरा बॉटल जैसा शेप है वैसा ही भर जाएगा, है ना? ओके, सो liquid, it takes the shape of a bottle, and if you pour as juice or water in jar, this is what? This is a glass jar. Now this juice or bottle, it will take the shape of this jar. Okay, that means what? Liquid take the shape of the container. Container means it may be a bottle or it may be a jar. Okay, then liquids can flow. Yes, if you pour a water, water will flow, isn't it? From upper layer to lower layer, it will flow. Okay, and liquids occupy a definite space. Okay, hence have a definite volume. Yes, they have a volume, means they can occupy a space. Okay, that means what? They have a definite volume. Okay, this is all about liquid. Okay, main point is what? Molecules are not very closely packed. Okay, and they do not have a definite shape, but they take the shape of a container in which they are kept. And also liquids can flow, and liquids occupy a definite space, so they have a what? Definite volume. Okay, then next state of matter is what? It is gases. Okay, the first one was solid, the second one was liquid, and the third one is what? It is a gas. Now what is gas? Air and water vapor are gases. Air, hawa. Okay, and water vapor. Water vapor means the water, it flies in the air. Okay, there are water in the air, but we cannot see. Those are called what? Water vapor are gases. Okay, they have the following properties. Now what are the properties to be a gas? The molecules in gases are very far apart. That means the space between them is very huge. Okay, that means they are not closely packed. Thus there is a lot of intermolecular space. एक दूसरे के बीच बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेस होता है. ओके, द इंटरमोलिकुलर फोर्स इज वेरी वीक. नाउ द इंटरमोलिकुलर फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन इज वेरी वीक. Hence gases do not have a definite shape. Okay, as these molecules, they are what? They are very much far from each other. Okay, so they do not have a definite shape. Okay, now let's see the molecules. So here, one molecule, two molecule. Okay, these are different molecules. Now see, these molecules are very much far from each other. Okay, why it is drawn like this? Because molecules, gases, to be a gas, molecules will always fly in the air. It is we can find these gases in the air. That means what? It is flying. That is why we are drawing here line by line. Okay, that means this is just single molecules. Okay, so these molecules are what? Far. This and this molecule, they are very far from its mother. So intermolecular space is very large, huge. Okay, the molecules in gases can spread easily. Okay, molecules in gas, it can what? Spread easily. Hence they do not have a fixed volume. That means what? They do not occupy any space and they do not have a volume. That means what? If you spray, अगर परफ्यूम लगाएगा तुम लोग, फॉर एग्जांपल परफ्यूम स्प्रे किया, ओके, तो वो परफ्यूम का स्मेल जो खुशबू होता है, यू कैन फील इट इन द whole room. Okay, suppose if you are in a room and you are spraying perfume in your clothes, then what? You can feel the smell, okay, in the whole room. Okay, again, gases are also matter as they have weight and occupy space. Okay, so this is all about gases. Okay, now next point we will discuss in the next class. So my dear students, please read the lesson thoroughly. Okay, thank you.